I mean, this looks like it's a detail. Let me throw a price on it.
Hello friends, guess what? It is auction day. Yep, I got to ride back up to the auction today. Needed to. He wasn't able to take someone with him, so somebody needed to get in between those cars that had no space in between them.
I'd like to find one of those for your mom.
It was actually not a bad day. You'll see. It was a little easier for me to keep up. So since you saw the first video, is it easier for you to keep
2007, 120.
Yeah, miles are right on.
Oh, it's a Jetta.
Yeah.
Ding, ding, ding. Won't start.
Okay. Tells me all I need to know.
That's all I need to know.
I mean, this looks like it's a detail. Let me throw a price on it.
Yeah. It feels like it too. I can't even feel the motor running.
Oh, put it in drive. Brake pedal feel okay?
Yeah.
Okay, that was good. Hit reverse.
That was good.
Yeah. Hit drive again. Okay. Good. Maybe.
It's 2007.
Mm-hmm.
140, 128. It's S7.
Yep.
And I don't have any lights at all on the dash. Here's a BMW.
Yep. E92. 328. I think. Needs windshield.
It's a 2008.
Yep.
2005 with 233.
No, that's a little much. Hey.
How you doing?
Wow. Looks like Grandma hit the garage door when she was backing out.
Or pulling in.
Yeah.
Should get the other one too?
No, the headlight's okay over here, but the fender's dented and it's got a big scrape mark down the side.
I was gonna say, can we buff it out? We can buff that out, but the window's down over here.
Well, that's not bad.
Oh, here, let me start it up. Okay, the AC's working, I can tell you that.
Check engine light.
Freaking cold, I don't have one. There ain't one. That window works, it was down.
So they basically told...
Radio works. Oh, I need to get closer. So it's S37. It's a 2006 with 80,000.
Yeah, he'll want a fortune for this, but it's not that clean.
No.
But you could make it that clean.
Well, I can make it clean. You want me to check and see if the horn works?
What?
I said, you want me to check and see if the horn works? That was a delayed reaction. Okay.
Lights.
The AC is tapping around.
Yeah, this is an interactuator. Okay.
That was pretty good.
Does that check engine light?
Yes, there is a check engine light.
Go ahead and plug in.
Okay. What is it?
Secondary air injection.
The hell is that?
It's got 5 codes in it though. Let me see. EVAP, vent system performance. I don't know. This would have to go off the sheet.
Just in general, it would have to go cheap, so all these fixes would just cut out of that.
Yeah. I mean,
Because it's a what?
this is
10?
a $29.99, $3,500 car max ever.
Okay.
The hell is that?
It is a Chevy Cobalt. It's an old delivery car.
Really?
Yeah. It was running pretty decent, and the interior is pretty decent.
If it's super cheap, it might be.
I was gonna say, if you could get it,
Lights?
huh?
No lights?
No lights except the tire.
What?
Do you like Nissan?
No.
Okay. Well, I knew you didn't like Toyota, but this one's an 05 with 157.
Yeah. Cracked bumper cover. CVT transmission.
Oh. Alrighty, so everybody is starting to gather because the auction is about to start. Now, up on the screen, you'll see the item number of the car, and you'll also see the green, yellow, and red lights. Green is it's guaranteed, and sometimes you'll see a green with a yellow. It's guaranteed, but it does have some problems. And then you'll have a yellow and a red, or you'll just have a flat red. And the big things that we're looking for here is getting as close to green as possible, so green and yellow, and the price has to be right. So as the auction ramps up and all 4 lanes get to going, it gets very chaotic, just like the last video. It is not changed. It's not going to change. But each car that he has on his list, he's got about 6 or 7 cars on the list. He will watch for the price, and he will watch the green and yellow and red light to see if it's worth his time. Now, he might have heard me during our walkthrough in the beginning. He will not buy Nissan or Toyotas. The last time I went to auction, a majority of the vehicles that he had on his list were in the A and B lanes, which are the 2 that you're looking at there. Today, they're in the A, B, and C line. So it was kind of a challenge, and both of us did have to sit at a lane waiting for the cars to come up. But this is one of the vehicles, this Mazda, and obviously it was not going to work for him. So here is one of the vehicles that came through that we never saw, but this is just an example of sometimes a car will come through that piques his interest, and so he has to go and check it out. Sometimes he will bid on them, a lot of times he won't. And for those who are wondering, my dad is the one in the wheelchair. This is the one that he tried to buy last week, and the sale did not go through, so he wanted to see if it was going to come down in price since it sat there, and it did not.
For an 06?
So here at this point, what I was trying to do was capture the process. He's gonna check out the car, but we have to make sure when the screen changes that we get all the information. Now, watch how it works. A lot of times the lights do not change right away. And of course it went to the dark side, and the price is really, really low. Chances of the transmission being blown or just about to go out are pretty high, so it probably wasn't worth his time. Watch the screen. The lights don't change. Somebody could have bid on that before they saw that. So here we go, we got a 2014 Ford Focus. So we got that one, and another one is a Chevy Cobalt, and it's across the lot. He went that way. So we're gonna see if we can't drive one of these home. Not a bad looking car for a 2014. Question is, can I clean that up? So far, the only thing I have is the TPS sensor. It's just the tire monitoring system. Brakes are grabbier than I'll get out. So, let's go find him. He's the one in the wheelchair. Alrighty, friends, alrighty. So, that is the end of the day. Today was much easier for me to follow along. I think a lot of that is because I understood more what was going on. I understood the checklist that needed to be gone through when it came to choosing a car or even making it a possibility on our list. The other thing that I was able to do this time, which I couldn't do the first time, was keep up a little better with the auction itself as the cars came through. When I was looking at the screen, I didn't quite understand everything. Now I understand the green, yellow, and red, and you know, pricing a little bit better and things like that. So anyway, we are back home. Everything is kosher. The cars ought to be here probably Wednesday or Friday, and then we'll get to detailing. So thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it, and until the next video, we'll see you later.